just for display. Yes, of course.
The facility can control temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide concentration for the photosynthesis.
トマトの生育に一番いい環境を整えます。
And that plant factory, they control temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide concentration, good for tomato production.
それともう一つ、すごく背を高く育てます。
And they cultivate tomato to up to tall height.
ここは天井が使えるので、この高さですが、本物は4メートルまで育てます。
In the real plant factory, they grow up to 4 meters.
伸びると下に下ろします。
When they reach 4 meters, they pull down the stem.
だから下に茎が、
So you can see the stem.
はい、折れてきた茎が見えます。でそうやって、いい環境で長い期間収穫するので、たくさん美味しいトマトがたくさん取れます。
So from one plant, they can harvest a lot of fruits because they grow tomato under good condition. And when it's rich, just put it down.
1平方メートルあたり、1年間に360個のトマトを取ります。
As a record, from 1 square meter, they could harvest 360 fruits, which is 55 kilograms, within a year, 1 year.
これも実はオランダの記録からするとそれほどでもないんじゃないっていうぐらいなんですが、
Compared to Netherlands, Netherlands is good at tomato production. Compared to Netherlands, this number is still low.
ただ日本人は甘いトマトが好きなんですね。だから、オランダのトマトよりもずっと糖度が高いトマトを取るので、そのことを考えるといい記録だと思っています。
But the Netherlands, they are aiming for yield. In Japan, we are aiming for yield plus taste. We check the bricks contents, sugar contents, and our tomato is a little higher.
植物工場の模型もあるので、60分の1モデルです。
This is 1/16th model.
人がいますね。
There's a
はい。
vodka.
ここは苗を育ててます。
Growing seedlings,
でこっちがトマトでパプリカです。
producing tomato, and this is paprika.
オレンジ色のが、そうですね。
英語のがあるので、後でもし家に帰ってタッチしてもらってもいいですか。
Few more points, then after that we can go anywhere. We can visit this fruit.
Since humans started cultivating, controlling insect pests have been one of the most important problems. The harm of pests are variable, such as eating plant directly, preventing progress of crops, or mediating disease. So these are some of the plant crops that we have around. They are all written in Japanese, but some will be written in English. Fry, because mostly is a worm that eat, and these are the botanical name, and then the year that were discovered in Japan. These are some of the name here, and there you go. Some we have them in. Some insects are very ordinary and cause no harm, and they are very beneficial, and those ones should also be taken care of. Meanwhile, a Ecosystem is sustained by complicated balance. In some cases, ordinary insects become the pest by change of balance. High biodiversity help keeping population natural enemy of pests because many natural enemies do not require any pest but an ordinary insect. Some of the beneficial insects include this one here. These are some of the beneficial insects that are not causing any harm to our plant. And when you see them, we have the bees here, and then you have some butterfly here, then you have this cocoon. These are all beneficial insects to say. So when you see them in your field, they are beneficial. These are some of the insects that is whitefly trapped. This is a trapper that traps mostly whitefly on the crops. We have some here, and then we have some of here. These are the pests that are alien in Japan. They just came recently, but they are not native to Japan. This is just their name. And then we have insects that are very common. And then they are mostly found in paddy field, creek, forests, rich and unique insect fauna has been formed in different parts of Japan. This is a cultivation of sweet potato. 3 new sweet potato cultivars that's consumer like. Today in Japanese consumer like sweet potato cultivar with high sugar content and good flavors. So these are some of the cultivars that were developed in this institute. They are all red. This is how the rice structure look like. Then we have the embryo here, and then here we have the endostem, the gland, and then here is the husk. Microscope, this is how it look like. These are some of the beans that are found in Japan. With the white bean here, which are used still mostly for the filling. Then you have the black bean here. So all Japanese products, and then we have more white beans, and then we have a drain made of the bean paste and more beans.
This type of soil is good for rice. This is good for watermelon.
And then this one here, this is how it's just a little bit. This is a rainforest.
Citrus.
Yeah. Good for big trees.
Yeah.
And then we have this one that is just black. This
Clear.
and this one of this. And then we have the one suitable for rice. They have the soil suitable for watermelon. More products here, produced here. Then here we have the Japanese thread. That is for bread. This is a product made out of the bread produced here. These are just a different type of bread and the calories that they contain. This is just we have a different type of rice product. We have rice pasta. We have this rice, this white rice. Different packaging, different texture and taste. These are different rice from different country. That is used to make sushi. And then you have the rice for animal feed here. And then we have the manufacturing processed rice for bread. This one the new variety for potato called Haruka and Piruka. Haruka is a new potato variety with red, bright beige skin tuber and white flesh. This one here. The Haruka tuber texture was rated as pesty. Haruka is a good quality salad potato and is highly suitable for processing. Piruka is a new potato variety with a high light beige skin tuber and a light yellow flesh. This one here. Piruka tuber show a little distraction of flesh after boiling, and the boiled tuber have a good flavor. Both varieties are resistant to green nematodes, and this is a good potato. Then you have the new product of buckwheat. This one here, and these are the seeds. This is the original flour, the world, and then you got the first world brew cherryserum. We have generated a brew cherryserum through genetic engineering. The newly synthesized show a brew color through intermolecular association with river. This is how it looks like. This is a new flower development. And then you have roses here. You have the new silk that is genetically produced here in Japan, and this is the one that is used to make. This is a picture of the genetically modified silk, and then this is the one that is used to make clothes that start lighting in the dark, especially during the night. But most of the performer and musicians these are just components of the genetically modified silk. So the different type of beans. The world's largest grammar fruit and the grammar root facility of the Institute of Radiation Breeding provides a platform for the mutation breeding of various crop species, creating new mutations and developing a crop of new varieties with new traits. This is one of the products from the genetically modified seeds. So this box. Then this is the price for produce. These are different types that will tell you which animal was there. For such animal, any animal, these are the type of animal that cause this type of destruction. Then each one has a way how it bites. So this one can easily tell you what is next to your field and how to control it. You have this one.